So today we're going to do a couple trails here at Facing Rock Trail System. This is the first ride of the season for me, so excited. I'm not sure how many miles I'll do, but we'll hit a couple of fun trails and see how it goes. Figured out I got this GoPro I'm trying to use today, and I haven't really used it a whole bunch. So Facing Rock is a pretty cool system, but it's also pretty technical. So if you're not a fan of the tech, this is a hard one to get used to, and it's climbing right off the bat. So you need to be mentally prepared to get your butt kicked, but it's fun. So we'll climb to the top of this and see how it goes. Hopefully all those miles I put on the trainer in the winter make this a little easier, but my legs already hurt and we've done about 50 feet, so stayed up. I'll put the name of this trail down below because I can't remember the name off the bat. Had to do a little hike-a-bike, unfortunately, in a spot I normally clear, but what are you gonna do? I just found a group for this trail system called Facing Rock Trails, Ludlow Ma. So if you get a chance, go give it a follow and find out the happenings of this little trail system. I'm sure there'll be some trail maintenance and maybe some group rides. Feeling a tad rusty. Fun short downhill spot right here. Definitely slippery, man. Front tire was washing out right at the bottom there. Back to climbing, which seems to be what all the trails are in New England. Got a really cool roller right here, but I'm thinking today ain't the day. Move the first ride back. Get it next time. It's usually a pretty quick downhill section, but not today. Ooh, I may kicked up a big rock there. Got the Zeb on here, Zeb Ultimate. Man, it makes riding over these rocks a lot easier, that's for sure. Whoa, almost went down. if I ever cleared this or not. Bars don't fit through it. All right, I'm dying. First one back was rough, I guess. This goes into Sancho, I believe, right here. It's got a fun little roller section that I should be able to do. Might go take a look at it first. Leaves are pretty slippery. All right, to the right here, that's where the rollers are. To the left is the bypass. So it's not a gigantic deal, but just enough to get your blood flowing. I think it is bypass day. Not feeling it. See, it's only about 4 feet. You know, 3 of it's rock, but alrighty. Bypass that sucker for today. Be a little bit of a sufferfest kind of day, I guess. Some snow still in here. This little section right here is tons of fun to fly off the other way. All right, break time. Back to climbing. I'm gonna cheat here, which I often do. You can go up this way where it's a ton of tech. You can go this way, which is double track, a little bit faster to get to the top, which is where I want to be. It probably doesn't help my skill level, but what you gonna do? I think this trail's just a tad more fun than all that jank. This is one of those trail systems that pretty amazing, but a lot of people don't visit for whatever reason. And I think they see Ludlow Ma as the location and they're like, there's no way there's anything there. But I ride this trail system pretty often. And it's worth the stop, at least if you're in the area. There's a ton of potential out here. Trying to get 2,000 miles of riding this year. I don't know where I'm at now, but I thought I was gonna get it last year, but it fell off towards Christmas. So I need to push a little harder early on. So going to take a trail called Tango up. Which this trail is one of the funnest ones here, one of the funnest trails here down. It's really the only good climbing trail to get to the top of the bungalow. Unfortunately, and I put a foot down. What the heck? You will. Guess I need some more miles under my belt here. There we go. Ugh. Not bad. Let the legs recover a tad. Very fun roller right there. Low risk. And it's a blast. There ain't no way, man. Man, I don't get it. This stuff, it used to be so easy. I was gonna go ride Coyote Ridge, but I think I may not do that. Some rollers up there. Baffled more people aren't riding here because these rollers are awesome. If you can do them, that is. More climbing. I think I'm gonna title this one, How Not to Make an Interesting YouTube Video. Legs are done again. That climb was a lot harder than I remember, unfortunately. Come on. Seem to be a little bit light on the front for some reason. Got a tree down. To the top of Facing Rock. Very pretty. Be awesome if four-wheeler guys would stop breaking bottles up here. Glass all over the place. Pretty sweet spot nonetheless. There's a great trail that way called Coyote Ridge. So that was Tango up. We're gonna take Tango down, which is mostly the same trail, but tad different. I may get froggy and take one of the more technical trails back. Hear a four-wheeler somewhere. Usually fly down this, but I'm gonna tread carefully with all the leaves on the ground, as I've crashed on it a few times even with it being clear. The left there is right where we came up. We'll take Tango down and yeah. Yeah, it's pretty rough, unfortunately. Slippery, slippery, slippery. One of the rollers. Woohoo! Fun. That's fun. At least I hit one. Feels like it takes about 20 minutes to get up. 2 seconds to get down. Oh, you meant to usually go to the right there, but foot down. See another trail right there somebody made. Fun spot. Yeah. There's a trail over there. I'll have to check it out, but Tango down is definitely worth the climb up. It's fun. Usually I do Coyote, climb it back up, and then take Tango down on the way out. I think I'm gonna take the tried and true way out. Take a car wash, cameos. Definitely some four-wheelers in here. Got this short, punchy climb, which I was pretty confident when I got here today, but all my hike-a-biking has been morally defeating. No, no, come on, come on, come on. Oh, we're popping wheelies, come on. Did it. Whew, that hurt. Alrighty, can't remember if there's a trail I want to be on or not. Alright, this is supposed to be pretty fast, but I'll do the best I can. Not a big teeter-totter guy. There's a car wash cameos. Owl. Super cool. Saw that coming. Brand new stickers on my fork. Well, what are you gonna do? Alrighty. That wasn't fun. Happens. Yeah, I destroyed my ankle pretty good. Could have been worse, I guess. Froze up on that, unfortunately. Probably wasn't that big, but instead of soaking it up, I got stiff. Took a good spill. That slowed my pace down, I guess. Not sure what was up with that, if I was seat was up or not, I can't remember, but man, it's slippery. Crash has got me all jacked up. Little air. Little air. Oh, fun. Got a foot drop right there. That spot where I fell, I usually ride the left-hand side of that. Rocks are pretty big on the right. Alrighty. I'll ride this little easy one back, see what happens. Yeah, I do not know the name of this one. But get some more distance in. Yep. I don't know where I was. Still feels like winter. I'm glad I didn't try those harder rollers I was contemplating. Nowhere near ready. All right, this is the exit. Fun, but a little bit of a rough ride today. Still worth it. I didn't do any major damage. So remember, Facing Rock, Ludlow, fun trail. Definitely get out here, check it out. It's definitely worth a stop if you're anywhere nearby, especially Bachelor Street right up the road. If you're over there, come over here and check this one out. Hopefully you'll have less crashes than me today, and it'll go a little bit easier for you. Catch you on the next one.